Hello, I am Alekia and I would be explaining on how to create and edit the campaign pages. The first thing which we need to keep in mind while creating a campaign page or any other page is that the language should always be English United Kingdom. To switch the language, you can always click on the scroll down button and switch. The next thing while creating a campaign page we need to keep in mind is that the template is always the base page template. There are two types of campaign pages. The first one is where the banner is embedded inside the rich text, like in the flavor cake page. And the second type would be where the banner is not present inside the rich text, but we have a separate banner component. I would explain the steps to create both the pages. First, we shall look at the flavor cake page, in which the banner is already present inside the rich text. To create such a page, we right click on the home button, we click on insert, we click on insert from template. A pop-up would appear. Click on project, OneWeb and base page. Whenever you're naming the page, make sure that all the names are written in the small letters. The first type which I'm creating is with banner. I've inserted the I've inserted the page in the title. The first thing I do is I write the title of the page. Suppose I'm creating a page on New Year, so the title would be New Year. I can edit any content in the rich text. The page design for the above component would be always header. And if you don't want this page to appear inside the main navigation, always check the box main navigation. If you want for it to appear in the main navigation, then you make sure that the box is not checked. I don't want this page to appear, so I'm unchecking this box. The next thing I would do is go to presentation, go to details. Change the layout to the Schwartz layout. Add controllers. The first thing you add is a container. The next thing you add is the recipe detail banner. Click on edit. The data source of this would always be page. This means that whenever we give this, the title and the description would be picked from the page itself. Sorry for the delay. Once the page is created, now you can view the page once you click on publish and preview. This is type 1, where the banner is present inside the rich text. The type 2 would be where the banner is not present inside the rich text, but we have to create a separate component for the banner. So it can be seen, like one of the example is the retail advice. To this, again we follow the same steps. Home, right click on home, insert from template. Again, project, OneWeb, base page template. We write the title, rich text. We add the page design to be header. I don't want this to be visible on the main navigation, so I check this box. The next thing I do is save this. Now I go to data, I go to the hero banner, and I create a banner over here. Insert a hero banner. I name it type 2 banner. I add images to the mobile image. Suppose I add, for the time being, I'm adding the same image, but you can add 3 images for it to appear on the tablet, mobile, and desktop respectively. The next thing is, if you want any CTA to be visible, you can add the CTA text over here, the primary CTA, and you can give the link over here. Same follows for the secondary CTA text and the link. Any title or description which you want for it to appear on the banner can be written over here in the field. We save the data source. Now we go to our page. We click on presentation, details, edit. Make sure that the layout is always Schwartz layout, project, Schwartz layout. You add a controller. First thing you add is always a container. The next thing you add is the hero banner. Hero banner. Edit. Data source. You give the part of the data source where you've created the banner right now. That I've created the banner type 2 banner, so I give its data source. And you have different kinds of variants, so you can give any variant. The variant which I'm giving over here is full with banner configurable. Next, I'm adding the recipe detail banner for the content which is appearing on the page. Now I give the placeholder. The data source would again be page, as it is taking all the description and title from the page. Once you've done this, you can save everything. And now to view the page, you can always go on publish and preview. So these are the two types of campaign pages, and you can create other campaigns pages as below. Thank you and have a good day.